All right. Oh, fucking, I don't know what I went in there for. Son of a bitch. Unplugged my headset. Kelly took it on the plane. I'm not gonna go through the basket till around 9 for those on YouTube. lot of market maker stuff going on. I can see already this morning. Man, I knew Coinbase was a good run on Friday. It's a nice pullback. Look at that gap up into the gap fill pre-market. I don't know how deep it's going to come. All right, YouTube, I'm back on. We're gonna get going here on the basket. We're gonna run through, see what we like, what we don't like. There was a lot of high opens and then the pull down pre-market. I mean, Amazon's open was way up here. Somebody else is in my ear. Who's that? Tandon? Oh, morning, buddy. How's the weather down there in Dominican? You finally got off the beach? You were on the beach all damn day. All damn night. It's a rough life, isn't it? That's good, buddy. Now just don't blow it out. Good. Spy. I mean, guys, honestly, when you're on a smaller account, you really shouldn't be trading contracts that are more than $150, $180. You just really shouldn't, because it's just too much risk for your account. Math, you still have those other trades open? The one's making a believer out of you. Yeah. All right. Got about 5 minutes here. We'll get going. There's been some weird stuff happening. I agree. There's been some weird stuff, like a lot of the data that, we watch for, a lot of it's been coming in at 10 minutes to 9. I've noticed all last week and the week before. So I've been waiting later and later to run through the basket because things change a little bit around 9 sometimes. So we'll just kind of hang out for a second. You know what? I didn't even look at Bitcoin all week, and I got that new puppy. Did I send you a picture of the puppy, Tandon? Yeah. He's lilac. Precious. Took Precious out this morning. We went outside, and everybody went poop and pee, and then we come back inside. And Precious is like, all right, she's ready to go back to sleep, and the puppy wants to play, and she gets all pissy with him. She's like, it's sleep time. I know, I'm pissed off about Bitcoin. I really don't want to talk about it. I'm mad that my trade didn't execute, and then I was just stubborn and mad. I'm just not traded. I'm mad about it. I'll wait for a big jam down and I'll grab it, but I should have grabbed it and I didn't. I'm agitated. Oh well. How was your weekend, Mahaffey? Good? Good. Tana was clubbing and partying with... He had a good time, right, Tana? All right. Sorry. Remember, we're going to treat today like a Monday, okay? I'm going to size down. Sizing down today. What's up, Helder? How was your weekend? Those are the ones you like today? I don't trade Roku. The other four, yes. Well, let's go take a look at Roku. I'll look at it real fast. What do you want to do with Roku? Short it? Because I definitely wouldn't long it. That's a nasty candle down here, 321. With a phantom tick. Roku's coming here, 321.25. I disagree. You see that, Tandem? What do you think? Yeah. Got slapped down. Yeah. It got smashed at the 200. I agree. Plus, with the market maker candle and the phantom tick down here at 321, that's probably where it's going. Absolutely better setups. What's the other one? DK. This is somebody on YouTube I'm talking to, so DK. Well, I'm sitting around before we get going here. Oh, DraftKings. I need a tag out of the 9 on DraftKings to take along, but I'm not sure I like it, which would be like 59.58. Those are big candles, brother. You get caught on the wrong side of one of those in an option contract, you're going to get smoked. I need a dip. I need a dip out of DraftKings. Probably back in this range right here. I would get interested, honestly. That 56. Somewhere in that neighborhood. There's a lot of risk right here. But I haven't watched the option contract, so I don't know. I'm going to go through Tesla when I go through the list, which we're going to do right now. So let's burn through it. We'll start with SPY. We're going to go to Qs. You guys ready? Let's go. All right. SPY. SPY's consolidating at highs right now. So we could go either way. Very interesting. There's a couple of market maker candles up over Friday's high on SPY and Qs that I've noticed right away. So I expect a dip and then a push. That's kind of what I think is going to happen. So hopefully we dip at the open. We're going to come down in here to this 451.81 to 450, right in this range right here. This is where these green lines, this is where we're looking to get long. Okay? Somewhere in this neighborhood. Now, could it bounce here? It could bounce right here at the pre-market low. Okay? So we'll have to watch it. I don't know if so much that I want to take it there because the risk is pretty big coming down here on a Tuesday morning, Monday morning contract after Labor Day. So let's just be cautious this morning and kind of let it set up and see what's going to happen. Okay? Now, that's kind of what I expect. I wouldn't short SPY currently. Maybe with a lower high, we could take a little position into the high, but that would be it. Okay? Qs. Similar chart on Qs as to SPY. Qs ran back up and we're consolidating at highs, but then again, we have these market maker candles up into the over Friday's high. Here. And then we opened up, ran up, broke down. So somewhere in this dip, 380.46, I would look to get long. Okay? I like that range. And then the 9's going to pull up to the 379.16. So if SPY is close to its bounce level and we're down in the green lines and Q's in this range, then we're good. But if SPY is real high and this is down here, Q's is down here at 380.46, then we don't want to take this trade. We want to wait for it to come to 379.16 or as close to that as we can get, looking for the bounce. Okay, so remember, we got to gauge it, what's going on between the two. Okay, along with Apple, Nvidia, everything else that's going on, and Amazon. All right, let's go over here to Apple. Charts are very similar. Apple is going to go on the run. I've been talking about it all last week. It's done nothing but go up. So right now we're running up to this 158.66. I don't know if it's going to try to slam up there today. I doubt it. Could, but I doubt it. All right, so I like this level right here on Apple. I agree. I agree. I agree. So Apple broke out. It's going to sell off and it's going to get, so we can try it here. The risk, remember guys, this is a Monday morning, okay? The risk if you take this trade at 153.92 is pretty stout, okay? It is pretty stout. The 9 is sitting way down here at 152.40 currently, okay? Don't think that it can't jam down there because it definitely can, okay? Pre-market low 153.92. Wait a minute, what is this? That was last night. Now last night the close candle come all the way down to 153.60. A lot of risk in this trade. The deeper the better. Probably this, we could start here. We can start at this 153.92, which is around the low of Friday. Friday's low. Oh, excuse me. Friday's low was 153.28, I believe. Yeah. So this is right around Friday's low, so let me bounce this down there. All right, Friday's low is 153.08. Let me get rid of this blue line. Well, we'll leave that blue for now. All right, so somewhere in this neighborhood is where we're going to look to get long. Now, we can look for a higher low, a double bottom at this range. If you have a smaller account, you kind of want confirmation on a trade before you get in. If you have a bigger account and you don't mind adding into your position, you can take the trade here and add into your position coming down here. Now, 153 to 192, 153.92 to 153.08. Standard risk on Apple is about a point, okay? So just remember that. Big movement on the contract, okay? Hopefully we sell straight off in the open, all right? Any questions on Apple? I don't have a short on Apple, purely long. All right. AMC cracks me up. AMD. Yeah, I saw it. It probably will break out, but I'm not trading that shit, dude. I'm not trading it. Well, that's because you built your account up. Now you want to take big risks. Knock that off. All right, listen. AMD 108.50 coming into the 9 at 109.56. Either level, you can risk the trade at 109.56 for the long. And if it breaks through, it's within 50 cents risk down to 108.89, which was our original level. Now, AMD jammed down to 108.50. You have to be aware. If the whole market's selling off, then let it come, right? And then when it finds a bounce and you get a little higher low like this right here, see that little higher low, and then it ran straight up. That's what kind of the move we're looking for, okay? The short, you'd have to watch the short area. What is that? Wait a minute here. Why is that there? Something just didn't look right to me when I was looking at it here. I'm going to watch this area, taking profit on AMD up here. Okay? So the bounce, we're going to be taking profit coming into that 111.18. Okay? Taking profit along the way, but if you have contracts riding, you're going to want to make sure you kind of have most of them closed out up in that area, that neighborhood. Okay? Doesn't mean that it's not going to break through there, but you know it's going to bounce there. The chances of it bouncing there are pretty strong. Okay? Amazon. Amazon is down currently. Friday's lows down here. The range on Amazon's pretty big. If Amazon goes on a dive, it is probably going to dive down to this 34.36. Now, pre-market low should bounce right here at 34.63. Let me get rid of this. 34.63 is the pivot on Friday. And that's where it came down to from the highs. You see this? So, should bounce. Amazon should bounce here and then run back up. So we'll just kind of watch for that bounce. Look for some momentum to the upside. And take it from there. Okay? Amazon paid you on Friday. Stay away from it today, brother. Stay away from it today. We're going to be watching Amazon for the bounce here. Okay? If Amazon breaks this 34.63, any longs that we're watching, we're going to be very cautious because Amazon's going to put a downward pressure on the market. Okay? Now, Boeing. Boeing is a turd. Consolidating. Baba. Still can't trade Baba. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Can't trade Baba. Moving on. BlackBerry. Beyond Meat. I always say Beyond Beef. It looks like Beyond Meat looks like it's about to fall off a cliff to me. Like gonna come down here. Yeah. Broke out a little bit right there, didn't it? Got slapped back down. Not interested in that. Carnival. They just mandated vaccines for all Carnival ships leaving Bahamas. That's probably why this is coming down a little bit. I'm not interested in Carnival anyway right now. Charge Point I'm not interested in. Somebody wanted to take it long last week and they got smoked. I'm not sure who that was. Okay. Chewy is coming down, gap down. They must have missed earnings. They had an earnings call, Chewy? Chewy did? Must have been. Hold on. That was the other day. We talked about that the other day, I remember. Yeah. Still selling off. Very interesting. I'm not ready to play with Chewy yet, but we'll watch it. Are you doing your bills while we're doing the pre-market, Mahaffey? All right, Coinbase is on the run. We talked about it. There's really no trade on Coinbase right now. If it jams into that 268, there's a trade at 268. The intersection of the 9. It's plain. Coinbase is trading very clean, but we'll watch this 9 test 268, okay? Coinbase comes in at 268. We can take a long there. We can risk that trade and see how it works out, okay? I haven't watched the contracts. Somebody remind me to watch the contracts today on Coinbase. All right? I want to see how they move. Okay. What's the delta? 98? In the 90s? Well, I mean, that's average movement for any option contract, though, buddy. Okay. Yeah, that's what the guys in my room are saying too, Helmer. All right. So that's where we are on Coinbase. I don't think I would touch it till then. Other stocks I would take the trade here in this neighborhood, but not this one. So I expect it to come down. Okay. All right. We'll watch that 268 for the long. All right. Moving on. Disney's got a phantom tick. Wow. Look at that. All the way down here. 171.55. We can want. Oh, come on, baby. Get on there. Well, I like this for a short, but I don't think I'd risk it's the problem. I'm just going to stay away from Disney. I'm going to get trapped in that trade. Looks like it's going to go down, that phantom tick down here. It's very interesting. Mark that off, see what happens. All right, guys. DraftKings, we discussed that already. They're running up because it's football season. I need a dip. Facebook didn't make it up to that 387.28 we were expecting last week, so we've come back down now. Right into the 9. Where's the 9? 9's about right here, isn't it? All right, so I'm going to call that trade right here. We're going to watch that test of the 9 on Facebook. Right here at 373.93. Right in that neighborhood. As it comes in there jamming, should bounce pretty hard. Okay? I expect it to come up to this 387.28. Okay? You're like, where'd that come from? Just trust me. All right? Watch it. We're going to give it about, let me see what our risk. We'll give it down to 372.94, which is about a point. Right? We're going to take it down to this little range right here. We'll give it down to 94, and that's it. Okay? And you'd be looking at the 392 call, or 372 calls is probably what I would take. Unless they have 50s. Hold on, let me look. Yeah, 372.50 calls. That's what we'll be watching. Okay? GBS going to run back up. And I know I should buy this stock. I haven't bought it yet. Gold. GameStop. Google is perfect down here. I wouldn't touch Google until it came to this 28.48 again, 35. I mean, it could bounce. It could bounce right here at the 9 at 28.57. It could bounce there. But I'm really not crazy about Google right now. Yep. Levels work. Technicals work. They just do. So, all right. Not real crazy about Google today, but we're going to keep an eye on it, see what it's doing, right? Get rid of this green line. We're going to watch. If it breaks under there, we're looking for debt. We're going to have down pressure, right? We'll put a red line here so we know where the pre-market high is. Roughly. Oh, that was the high in the nighttime. So the high is like right here, but we'll watch it. All right. Home Depot is running up. I'm really not crazy about Home Depot, but it is moving up. I'm sure that Hurricane Ida's helping it. Intel's bouncing that level pretty perfect. Sitting right on that 53.37. It's a phantom tick down here to 51.11. Not crazy about that phantom tick, I can tell you that. When they break these lows, I don't like that. So I have to watch that pre-market high for a short. It's really not much to take here. We'll just have to watch it. All right. Lockheed Martin's just kind of consolidating here at 354. Broke the downtrend, pulled up, ran into the 200, got slapped. Now it's come back down. It's trying to find footing here, so could run back up. Moderna's on a little bit of a run. I know, Tandon. I didn't want to trade Moderna. Risk's too big. All right, so 408.07. I just don't want to be in. I don't want to be in this type of stock if something bad happens. That's all I have to say. Oh, there's a lot of people that are trading them. There's too much emotion involved in that stuff, buddy. Well, they've been that. Vaccine companies have been that way for the last 30 years, though, Tandon. They were not going to be free forever. Why are they free? Ask yourself, and the company's still going up. The governments are buying them. Right. Oh, Microsoft going to head up to 317.07. Look at that. Is it time, Microsoft? We getting ready to run, are we? We'll watch this 297.08. I'm going to put a green line here. I'm going to get rid of this. Yeah, we're going to watch this level. $300 even. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. How are we doing on time? 9:20. We're at Microsoft. All right. We're going to watch that 300 for the long. Okay. I'd like it to stay up here. We need a little distance into that level for the long. I'm going to put Microsoft on the top here. We need the market to come up. Just don't take it blindly. Next level would be 297.08. If it gets underneath there, you can't touch it till down here. Okay? I'll be watching that for long. MU. No MU today. I don't like MU. Netflix. Yeah, eventually. It's probably going to dip to about right here. 588. See how they all line up? 588.96. Be watching it for a long there. But I don't want to trade Netflix at highs. There's a lot of risk involved in this trade, guys. I would probably stay away from this until after it has a proper pullback. Okay. Nvidia is running to the 234.17. Next stop after that's going to be in the 500 range. It's going to just keep running. You heard it here. I told you it's going to 515.55. Okay. Nvidia was beautiful on Friday. Just dipped a little deep, but I like Nvidia at 223.85. The test of the 9. If it comes in here, I'm going to take Nvidia long today. Okay. That's what I'll be watching for. It looks like we're going to get a dip from the stocks that we've went through. That's what it looks like is going to happen. So we'll see. PayPal. The 281.44, good risk. PayPal's up in the gap right now. It's trying to, it got slapped down, made it almost up, came back, tagged the 9, now it's running back up. So we actually could probably watch the 50, which is going to be the pre-market low. Let me get rid of this. We're going to move this level to right here. And we're going to watch that bounce area on PayPal, 287.41 for the push into the gap fill. Okay? Gap fills up here, 295. All right? You can watch that trade as well. Microsoft, Nvidia, PayPal, I like the most at the exact second. I like Apple too. Qs we've went through already, still looking the same. We'd like it to dip. That's what we're looking for, so we can get that long. Roku, I don't like. Space, SPY. Same thing with SPY down here. This is where we want SPY in this neighborhood. We want a jam down in the open. Tesla's trying to break out. I would let it jam down to the 728.42. Right roughly where the 9's coming into. Friday's lows. What is that? Friday morning, Friday afternoon. We could watch this area right here. But listen, you better have a big account if you're trading Tesla. That's all I have to tell you. And you better understand what you're doing about adding in, getting out, changing strikes, taking profit at different areas on different strikes. There's a lot going on if you trade Tesla and it goes against you. Okay? It is not for the weak-hearted. What'd you say, Tandon? You don't trade that trash anymore because it ripped your heart out and fed it to you. I understand. All right. UPS, X, Wish. All right, guys, we're done. I got to open my trade deck here. Hold on. Interactive brokers, they're great. I'm going to put a link on my bio and in my lives for if you want to open an account in Interactive Brokers. That's who I use. They pay me, obviously. All right, guys, any questions coming in the open? We have a few minutes, so if you want to say it, spit it out now, because about 3 minutes, I won't be answering. What do you want me to look at? Some trash stock? If they have earnings today, I wouldn't trade it even if I wanted to. Yeah, I wouldn't trade that. Docu. Hold on. Roku? Oh, I think you meant .roku. Helder, you mean Roku on that question you said? Yeah. All right, guys, I'm going to go back to get the charts ready here so I'm not behind the ball when the market opens. Amazon's running back up at the open. All right, guys, let's focus up here, okay? I can't find that ticker, buddy. I looked for it, but we're out of time now, so. Yep. Well, I expect SPY to jam down. I expect SPY to come in this neighborhood. We're going to hold on the longs until SPY and Qs get down here. I have NVIDIA open. And get Microsoft up here. Come on, man. Chris, that shit cracks me up, bro. Did you ever play the Biden? Come on, man. It's hilarious. Oh, shit. All right. All right, guys, focus up. Make sure you got your contracts, what you're looking at first. Have it open. If you can open multiples, have everything open, you know, be ready to go. Have your strike preset. The 300 strike on Microsoft, correct. Remember, this is like a Monday. Patience. Size down. Don't size up. Turn around Tuesday. SPY's at the pre-market low. 452.55. I said it could bounce there. It did bounce a little bit. Qs is coming up. There goes SPY. Little divergence in the market, guys. I'd like Microsoft to make a big candle down. I might have to grab it. SPY's diving. Yep. Look at Amazon go. Jesus. I'm going to have to grab it. I'm just going to be patient, guys. I really want to get in SPY long right now, but I'm going to be patient. I get my hand off the mouse. It's a Monday morning. SPY selling straight off. Microsoft's coming down. Google jammed up. AMD jammed up as well. Almost came into that 109.56 call. NVIDIA's in the red. Q should be coming down. I'm watching Microsoft, Apple currently, NVIDIA. NVIDIA is still pretty far from the level. I won't take NVIDIA up here. If I can get a higher low out of SPY, I might risk a long. Yeah. Yeah, it's almost there. $300 strike. Here we go. NVIDIA big sell-off. NVIDIA's just jamming down. All right, I'm in Microsoft. Broke through. Qs. I only took that trade because SPY had sucked up and started to run. See what happens. Where's our next level? Remember 297.08? I got filled at $1.95, Tandon. Where'd you get filled? You hesitated on your execution. Oh, gotcha. Well, hold on. I got to take a little profit. Filled me 217. That's not bad. Be careful with this trade. I expected the dip down to 451.81. I'm going to be taking SPY long when it starts getting into these lower levels. I'm hoping Microsoft's going to hold this level. I took some quick profit. SPY's pretty close to the bounce area, so I'm not too stressed. I'd like Nvidia to sell off deeper down into this 223.85. 223.62 actually, into that area is where I'm hoping. AMD is selling straight off. Here comes SPY. It's coming in hot and heavy into the level, guys. That's how we like it. I'm gonna have multiple trades open. Listen, you got to be aware that the market could really sell off. Remember, we're at highs, so we're taking longs. Q's catching up to SPY. I'd like Q's to get down into this 380. Microsoft's just kind of hanging. It's a good sign. Come on, SPY. I've got, oh yeah, 451s is the contracts I'm looking at on SPY. Amazon's holding the open at 34.80. Well, there it went. I added a little bit there as well. Yep. AMD sucking up. Take a profit, baby. Take a profit. That was a nice ad, yep. I'm about to buy SPY. 451. Come on, SPY. Come on. Right now. Hold on. Yeah, I'm getting paid in Microsoft, boys. I'm getting paid in SPY. I'm in SPY too, getting paid. Wow. Wow. That was a $40 suck up. What's up? Come on. Let's go, baby. There we go. Take a profit on SPY. Take a profit on Microsoft. Up 50 a contract on SPY. Almost 50. More than that on Microsoft. Still holding a little red on the first purchase. The add-in is good. What we need is a higher low out of SPY right here. We don't want this to break, okay? Problem is, Nvidia is not done, I don't think. Nvidia made it halfway in between the levels. Yeah, you notice that? Dude, did I shut off my live? Oh, I thought I killed my stream, guys. Sorry about that. All right, SPY's coming back down. That's why you take profit. Yeah. Taking an ad on SPY. Yeah. Yeah, it may be late. It may be late. We'll just give it a little bit. It's put in a higher low, so hopefully everything holds. Let's see. Amazon broke highs. Yeah. Took some profit on Microsoft right there. Yeah. SPY broke lows. Where's she going? She's going to dip. It's trying to blow out the stops before they bring it up. Google's running. I took a big ad in SPY, so I got a pretty good size position in SPY currently. Well, I took some off when it popped over it. Good job, Chris. I'd shut off the chat room. I didn't see it. I'd closed the screen on my other screen somehow. Come on, SPY. I have them both. Yeah, there she goes. She didn't come into the level, bro. There's nothing we can do. It is what it is. SPY's sitting on the level. My SPY contracts are pretty damn expensive, though. I got a lot bigger position in this than I want to have. Come on, Apple. I got to take some profit right here. Hold on. There we go, baby. There we go, SPY. Let's go. Let's go. Everybody's making money today. Everybody's making money today. Took some more profit on Microsoft. Took profit on SPY as well. I have SPY and Microsoft open long currently. 451 calls on SPY. SPY back down. Man, I almost want to buy those back. Be cautious here. I think that Yep. I'm still. I wish SPY would stop breaking lows, bro. I'm glad I sold those. I almost want to buy some more. I want to buy some more, but I'm trying to be patient with this trade. I'm green. Oh, I would think she's going to come back up to 302 at least. I mean, Microsoft's the one I like for the biggest long. Chris. Oh, shit. All right. Are we going to get a higher low right here at 451.81? I really want to take an ad. I don't have much Microsoft left right now. I'm looking for a dip back into this low, and I'm going to load up. It's called divergence, sir. One of the two is going to happen. SPY's going to come up, or everything else is going to come down. And I think SPY's going up. I have a lot of SPY contracts. I have a way too big of a position for a Monday. But you guys aren't saying, slow down, slow down. I have 75 contracts right now. Take a little more profit right here on the SPY contracts. I bought some more. There we go. Now we're going to run. Come on. Ah, I just got slapped again. I executed those perfectly. Told you I'm waiting for that double bottom. SPY's still coming down, bro. I'm going to watch that 451.27. I'm going to take an ad. Contracts holding up. Here we go. I just took a big ad. I like the setup. Come on. Sucking some off. Hold on. Come on, SPY. Blow those stops out. Let's go. Now you see why I bought the 451 calls. About to take an ad in Microsoft. I haven't been watching NVIDIA today. I was watching it. Yeah, NVIDIA's jammed down. NVIDIA's so far from that 223 that I'm just going to wait. Oh, shit, I'm getting paid in SPY. Hold on. It just shot up. I didn't get paid. I just saw it shot up. I had to look over. NVIDIA's got a long way to come down. AMD is running down to the lower level, 108.89. SPY's into the 451.27. Have an ad there. There we go, baby. Come on, give me some follow through. There we go. Got filled at 96 cents on that last ad on SPY. Now we're running back up. Take a little profit here at 114. Nope, I wouldn't touch it till 223.62 NVIDIA. That's why I'm very cautious with the longs I'm doing right now. Yeah, Microsoft's just kind of hanging. You should have took an ad into that higher low. Coming into that 299.04. And then if it breaks, you just close it. Okay. Microsoft's trying to put in a higher low right now. Same with Q's and SPY. SPY's coming up. Possibly. We'd like to see it blow up right now. It's going to pull the rest of the market up with it. SPY come right down to the range I expected, so I'm in pretty heavy now. That's part of the downsizing, correct. I was sizing down today. No, shit, no, I've upsized. I do it every damn time I say that. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, SPY's a good position around this low down here. Coming to this higher low. Hopefully it's going to hold this. Yeah, it just got sucked up. Hey, stop being a Nancy. Yeah. Buyers getting in. Remember that 297.08 is that next level on Microsoft. I said if it broke here, it's probably going to come to this 297.08. So I'm not sure if I even want to go underneath this right here. If it breaks, it's probably coming to that 297, which it did, yeah. I took most of my position off. I got a little bit on, so I'm not risking much. Whoops. If possible, I wouldn't close the Microsoft trade. I'd leave it open. Just watch your exposure. It's early in the week on Microsoft, so. SPY 451.27. I didn't take an ad there because I was looking at that other thing. I would have took another ad right here. Doggone it. Since I'm in this trade big already. Right down to where I thought. We'll see if I'm going to be right or wrong, or all hell's going to break loose and she's going to pull all the way down. But you notice I take profit on these bounces, guys. I buy, take profit. Buy, take profit. So I'm down in my risk and I'm still even. But if it takes off, I'm holding a bunch of contracts. And I'm not risking a lot. Contracts holding up pretty good for the moment. I mean, what's SPY going to try to jam down to the 9 in one effing day? 450.70 is the 9. On the daily. What goes down must come up. Eventually. Up, down, up, down. Up, down, buddy. The first directional pick for the day was down, so it's probably going to come back up. I took an ad there. Filled me 92 cents. And then jammed back up to $1.02. That was a $10 swing in the contract right there. I didn't take any off. I should have. I was waiting for, I thought it was actually going to break and go, so I was holding it. Come on. Here we go. That's higher than that candle. That's what we needed right there. Let's go. Let's go, SPY. Come on. Look at Qs. Look what's happening. You see Qs jamming right down into this level. It's running straight in there. You see how we gauge this coming down? I was nervous that it was going to come all the way because of what Qs was doing. But it doesn't mean I'm not adding to my position and selling, adding, selling. Look, buy, sell, add, sell, add, sell, add, sell. That's how you do it. Once you're going against the grain, you're adding and selling and minimizing your exposure. All right, here's our first higher low for 10 minutes. See if it's going to hold it. Let me switch this one over to hike and shoot. We've been straight red on hiking a she for almost 25 minutes. 2 minutes were green on hiking a she, guys. That's a pretty stiff sell-off. 25 straight minutes. Now right into the lower level here at 451.27. Hopefully SPY doesn't want to continue down. From where it's at right now, 300. It tagged the VWAP and went short, right? SPY's trying to hold this level here at 451.27. Big candle out of Qs. All right. Do what? I'm in SPY, yes. Hold on. 451. 451 strikes, buddy. I was been talking about that the whole time. Sorry, I was like, what? The reason I took the 451 strike. Here comes SPY. Peeling a little off SPY right here. SPY needs to start coming up, guys. 10-10-30 reversal. Here comes NVIDIA. Yeah, Microsoft's coming too. I'm red in my Microsoft trade right now, but I'm not stressing it. Yeah. I didn't take that ad. I probably should have, but oh well. I got a big position in SPY. I really don't even care about the Microsoft trade. Taking some more off SPY right here. But I have a lot of contracts, guys. I have a lot of contracts. Yep, there goes Amazon. Well, SPY and Qs came right into their levels. I mean, almost perfectly. So I started early, added. This is part of that reason. That's why I put these levels in so I know where I am. Amazon's ready to go. Microsoft should start popping up. Woo! Come on, SPY. That was $30 in the contracts I made that I bought down here, guys. Roughly $30 in profit on those 3 candles. A contract. That's a nice pull up. I'm nicely green in this trade at the moment. But I take my profit. I don't mess around. When I get it and I just start banking it. Now I'd like to see a nice higher low right here. Contract hits 95 cents. I'll probably buy it again. Four minutes green on hiking a she on SPY. Yeah. SPY's coming. Here we go. Q's running. SPY. Here goes Microsoft. The bottom's in, boys. Looks like. We'll see if it's going to hold. There's that FOMO. There's that FOMO. FOMO. Just Microsoft's going to come up. Just hold on to it. Oh, here we go, SPY. Let's come to life, baby. SPY to the top. Come on, SPY. I mean, is it too much to ask to want to make 10 grand? Come on. Don't get all fucking doggy right here. Let's go. Chris just told me, remember, take a small position today. No, I'm insanely large right now, taking profit. So my low on this trade is going to be the bottom of SPY. Okay? I don't think I'm going to go under that. I'm watching the contract bleed as well. When it comes to 297.08, I'm going to take an ad on Microsoft, a big one. Most likely. That's outside of standard risk, but that's just kind of the way the trade's working, so I'm watching it. I took an ad in SPY right there. Came to 96 cents. I executed. Yep. Filled me at 98 cents, excuse me. Thought it filled me at 96. Come on, SPY. Come on. Jam over the VWAP. I know you want to. Come on. I'm going to get mega paid if it takes off. Just relax. That's buyers getting in Microsoft. It's going to come up. Because Apple didn't come into the level. Yeah, Apple's going. Size down, Chris. Size down. If I'm crying later today and I break something because I'm an idiot, took a giant position on Monday. Oh my gosh. Stop being a Nancy. Come on, Spy, damn it. See, YouTube, I get agitated with it too. I'm just kind of holding in Spy right now, and I have some contracts in Microsoft. I have a much larger position in Spy than I should have on a Monday or a Tuesday. I didn't start Spy until the bottom, buddy. Microsoft, I shouldn't have taken Microsoft right here. I know better. I should have let it come down deeper, but I still made money on that first push. So I'm really, I'm a little red, but I'm not a lot red. So I'm just hanging. If it jams in this 297.08, I'll take a nice ad. Hoping, looking for the bounce. It's kind of where we are. They're contract burning right now. What's up? Come on, Spy. Son of a bitch. $10.30 reversal, baby. I won't take another ad in Spy unless it comes all the way to a double bottom. Spy's going to come all the way back up today. Watch. Spy keeps getting bought up down here by this 451 and a big candle. So, see this candle? Maybe this is it. Here's our higher low run. People are waiting for it. About 20 cents away. Makes sense. Amazon's holding high. Apple. Google's breaking highs. Watch this bottom. Watch this bottom. Pay attention to what's going on. Are you in Spy 2, Tandon, or no? You're just Microsoft. Okay. I agree. I wouldn't sell it. Hell no. I wouldn't sell the Microsoft contracts. Absolutely not. Nope, I agree. It's gonna once it starts to come up, it's gonna come up. I don't know why SPY has to be such a bastard to me today. Took another ad here on SPY at the double bottom. A little bit of contract slippage, guys, so be careful. Told you it's Tuesday. They're trying to put it on everybody. Should have waited for the lower levels, what I should have done, but hey, shoulda, coulda, woulda. Knowing better, I should have waited for this 451.27 before I entered. Whoo! You bastard. SPY just broke through the level and jammed down. It's within my risk. 451 is my last ad, and if it breaks there, I'll get out. Amazon's holding up highs, so I'm just... Q's is above the 380.46. SPY sliding. Yeah. Whew. Look at that sell-off. She's going to run right to the 9. We'll see. Gonna add. Way too big of a position on a Monday. I tell everybody not to do it, and I do it myself. I do it all the damn time sometimes. 77. 88. I agree. $451, yeah. 451 on SPY is the moment of truth. If it breaks there, all hell should break loose. The 9 is not coming up to where it should be. 450.66. I'll give it till the 9, probably. I'm gonna have to buy some 450 calls down here. Yeah. You gotta laugh while you're in it, boys. Gotta laugh while you're in it. Woo! Latest news, zombie outbreak. Zombie outbreak. Zombie outbreak. Chris, you're hilarious. Hold on a sec. I'm getting a call. Microsoft's coming down. Into the 9, I'm taking an ad, and then I might end up running a SPY trade here, right here. This is going to be it. I was waiting for this ad. The 450s at the 9. SPY's into the Q's is into the 380.46. Took an ad. 450 strike. It's got to continue back up or I'm closing the whole damn trade. Just tag the 9 as far as I'm concerned. Yeah. Took some profit off of those. Profit on the ones I just bought is what I'm talking about. Yeah, she ran down to the 9. That's why I have the 9 on the daily. It's really not on the 9, but close enough that this is as close as I'm going to go. Oh, I haven't had a red trade for a while. I'm due, but I'm pretty stubborn. That's the problem. I get stubborn when I've been green for so long, and then I take a whacking. Here we go. I'm up 25 a contract on the ones I bought at the bottom. Taking some profit. You see how Qs came right into that 380.46? You see how everything works together? It's a perfect lesson right there, guys. Look at the charts. Hey, hey, hey! My puppy's pooping on the floor. Hey! Well, he already pooped. Here's the higher low, hopefully. I sold a bunch of those contracts off I bought on that push in there. Well, till about 10:30. Probably have a 10:30 reversal. There's a higher low on SPY. You're like, how are you not deep red? Well, we've only got about a point move from the first level, and I didn't take it till it jammed down to the 451.56. We're only talking about a 50-cent move from where I entered on SPY. Now, Microsoft I'm red in right now, but I'm just holding that for the moment. I'm going to get uninterested in holding things if Q just breaks this 380.46. Oh, yeah. See, what happened is professional traders were watching SPY tank, and as it came and broke this lower level, they're like, we're just going to wait for the 9 and we're going to get on it, and that's what's happening right now. At least that's what it looks like. That's what I did. There we go. All the way to the top. We're going to go all the way back up here. Watch it. Watch today. Here we go. Big move. Let's go, contracts. Nice. And Qs, both. Yep. Peeling some contracts off right there. I peeled some contracts off there. Had a monster. I had the biggest position I've had in 10 months on a Tuesday after Labor Day. Horrible. Oh, I'm not. I'm not. I'm green. The contract's holding up pretty good, and I bought the 450 strikes on this last ad. Sometimes you don't get instant gratification in a trade. So I'd really like to see SPY get above this 451.27. That is an important level, and it's getting slapped back. I don't like that at all. But I took some profit on those contracts right there. Really want to see a higher low here, guys. I don't want this to go any deeper. Oh, if it breaks under this, I'll be crying. Right here, I'll be crying. I'll just close. I got too big of a position. I get a tag to VWAP, I'll make a boatload. Sometimes it's not instant gratification. We're almost into 1030 reversal. Gonna have to watch our contract price. There's a lot of stuff going on. Yeah, I won't be adding any more contracts. This is my bottom. So now my next move will be close if we don't continue back up. Wish just shot up. That's a good sign, Chris. Wish going up while SPY's coming down. Oh shit, is the garbage here? Didn't take out the garbage this morning. There goes Q's. SPY should start running. Q's broke over the 50. It's almost a VWAP. There we go. There we go. There we go. No yeah buts. You will. You're going to have to give it a minute. You have time decay right now. You have time decay. You're going to have to wait for it to swing all the way back across. I'm green across in SPY right now. I needed that candle right there. I needed that. I just took some nice profit needed right there. Mm-hmm. I didn't expect SPY to pull back below 451.27, but it's getting bought up, looks like. So Q's bouncing off VWAP. SPY's got a long way to go to VWAP, but that'll pay me probably 50 a contract if it runs to VWAP. Nice. Helder, are you in any trades? Are you still out there? Microsoft's coming back. Jason, did you take that double bottom ad? Gotcha. I gotcha. Right. Spy's put in a higher low. Mature higher low on Spy now. Yeah. 1030 reversal. Now if Spy can get its shit together. I got Microsoft contracts. I'm just waiting for them to go. I'll start getting happy in a minute. Not normally in a trade this long. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Talk shit. Microsoft and the VWAP. What's Google doing? Sorry, garbage man made my dogs bark. No, I don't think it's over. I mean, I'm got the trade open. I'm just gonna ride it, and if it stops me out, it stops me out. It is what it is at this point. Microsoft, the Microsoft contracts, I don't think I'm gonna close. I'm probably gonna swing those contracts. Right. There's no reason for Microsoft except for people are buying in on buying on the bid. You know what I mean? It's just running down, and then it's gonna get sucked up. It's gonna run back up. I think we'll see. I expect Microsoft to go up. So well, Microsoft, if we look at it, this is where I expected it to run down into, right? And then run back up into this 312, 317 range. I just don't know when it's going to go there exactly. But this is the breakout test right here. Where we are. This is the breakout test from before, right? Sucked off, broke out. Mm-hmm. I need to get some coffee. Give me a sec. I'll be right back. Coming on up. Micro hard. Did you guys hear fucking hand tandem? Unbelievable. I'm getting micro hard. Chris just walked in. He goes, I just walked into micro hard. Here goes Q's. Q's was a perfect play today, gentlemen. You all should have taken that trade. Kelly won on Microsoft, she told me. She trades better than us. Yeah, I am too. We're still in. She took her profit. She said, I'm out. Mahaffey, where are you at? A little? $10.30 reversal, boys. SPY should come up. I have a lot of contracts in SPY still. Oh, baby. That's the move. That's the move I've been waiting for. There it is. Here we go. Here we go. Hold on, I gotta grab some SPY profit here. Hold on. Grab a little profit there. Tagging the 50. Whoops. All right, YouTube land. I'm still in this trade long in SPY and long in Microsoft. Taking some profit in and out. We are still long. I'm going to go ahead and kill the YouTube stream. I got a bunch of people in trades, and I'm working with them along with my own trade. All right, guys. YouTube land, have a great day. Make sure you're taking your profits if you're in. I was just killing the YouTube stream, you guys.